Now find your way to a comfortable seat and join me for our Kriya meditation. Sit tall. It's not really important the position of your legs. Feel free to sit on a chair if it's more comfortable. What we are looking for is lengthening of the spine while being comfortable. Now as you sit up, close your eyes, elevate your collarbones while you relax your shoulders. Feel your sit bones and gently lift the lower belly. At the best of your ability, try to maintain this engagement of sit bones gently pressing on the base where you are seated while you are gently engaging the pelvic floor. Now observe where you are right now, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Just notice your quality of being. Notice the quality of your mind. And notice the quality of prana, vibration. Building relaxation, stillness, steadiness. Now start to refine the breath very smoothly and try to get about half of your capacity. So just move about half of the volume that you regularly breathe in. And as soon as you finish your inhale, move the exhale. It's a very refined, very effortless pace on your breath. Super slow breath, smooth. Dissolving any roughness in the breath. Now, even though the breath is silent, become aware of a very soft vibration of ujjayi coming from the back of your throat. Notice the breath passing softly above the soft palate, above the roof of the mouth. and sense that it rolls over all the way to the back of the brain. And sense the exhale departing from the back of your brain, moving above the roof of the mouth and down to the nostrils. Now, for those of you who are more experienced, please roll your tongue and place the back of your tongue resting against the roof of the mouth. And you might notice that the vibration of the breath is more palpable. Please keep the tongue resting without tensing your mouth. Your jaw and teeth should feel soft. Now please continue observing that effortless pace of the breath as it ascends through your nostrils, passing above the roof of the mouth and rolling into the back of the brain on the inhale. And observe the exhale departing from the back of the brain, passing through the roof of the mouth and descending through the nostrils. Notice that gradually the breath becomes actual vibration, expanding into the brain. Impacting your nervous system. Start to feel your eye sockets, the eyeballs, the optic nerves, all of them gently vibrating. So gentle, so subtle, and yet very observable. Perhaps even the ears and the ear canal start to sense the vibration of prana. And now even your brain starts to vibrate. As you sense that presence vibrating into the brain, relax the conscious breathing and just feel established in the presence in the brain. Now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows and feel the bone between your eyebrows. Now as your body breathes in, feel the vibration moving from that bone between your eyebrows all the way to the back of the brain. And as you experience the exhale, feel the vibration moving from the back of the brain back to the bone between your eyebrows. If your thoughts distract you, repeat the conscious breath and eventually come back to this experience. Now, as the awareness moves inwards, mentally hear hum. As the awareness moves out with the exhale, hear sa. As you experience the inhale, prana vibrates with the sound hum. During the exhale, prana goes out, vibrating with the sound sa. Hum. Sa. Continue. The breath continues effortless, as you fully immerse yourself in the sound of prana. Hum, sa. Now slowly come back to your breath again. Bring your chin down. Take your time to come back. If you have a journal, I highly encourage you to record your thoughts, your experience, and any revelation that might have arisen during your time meditating. This is called vichara. Thank you so much for practicing. Namaste.